Greetings to all my children. In our English class, today we will see Unit 4 poem The Spider and the Fly book exercises. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions in one or two sentences. First one. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. This is the poem lines and ask questions from these lines. Question number A. First one. How to reach the spider's parlor? The spider's parlor can be reached through a winding stair. Question B. What will the fly get to see in the parlor? The fly will get to see many curious things too in the parlor. Second question. Oh, no, no, said the little fly. Kind sir, that cannot be. I have heard what's in our pantry, and I do not wish to see. This is the poem line. Question number A. Is the fly willing to enter the spider's pantry? No, the fly is not willing to enter the spider's pantry. Question B. Can you guess what was in the pantry? Only remains of dead flies may be found in the pantry. Third one. Sweet creature, said the spider, you are witty and you are wise. How handsome are your gauzy wings? How brilliant are your eyes? Question number A. List the words used by the spider to describe the fly. Answer is sweet, witty, wise, handsome, gauzy, brilliant. Question B. Why does the spider says that the fly is witty? The spider calls the fly witty because the fly is clever to avoid entering the web. Then fourth one. The spider turned him around about and went into his den. For well he know the silly fly would soon come back again. This is the poem lines. Question number A. Why is the poet using the word den to describe the words spider verb? Answer is the spider is like a line in its verb, so the poet uses the word. Question B. Why was the spider sure that the fly would come back again? Answer is the spider has flattered the fly of his beauty, so he was sure it would come back again. Fifth one. With busy wings she hung aloft, then near and nearer drew, thinking only for her brilliant eyes and green and purple hue. Question number A. Who does she refer to? She refers to the fly. Question number B. What was she thinking of? She was thinking of her beautiful eyes and the color of her wings. Then question number 6. The poem line is, and now, dear little children, who may this story read? To idle, silly fluttering words, I pray you never give heed. A. Question number A. Who does I refer to? I refers to the poet. Question number B. What is the advantage given to the readers? The poet advises us not to fall a prey to fluttery sweet words. Thank you all my children. To subscribe our channel Fun Learning with KK. Thank you.